and welcome back to JSTV, where we'll be breaking the cycle one goal, one accomplishment, one day at a time. My name is Jamese, and on my channel, you can expect to see videos on lifestyle, budget and finance, mom vlogs, and a little bit of everything else in between. But today is not about me. I mean, I look a mess. But you are going to get to meet my sweet girl Jade, and I'm going to take you through her step-by-step toddler hair takedown routine. So let's get into this video. I am going to start taking her beads down first, and then I'll go start with the braids. Then I'll detangle, and then from there I'll put her in the bathtub. I'll shampoo her, then I'll rinse that. I will let her play for a little bit while it's conditioning, and then I'll come back and rinse her again, and then I will detangle for a second time and Jade her too, and then from there I'll braid her up or just twist her up and let it dry overnight while she's sleeping. So she loves Bear Bear very much, and she wanted to introduce you all. You combed her hair?
Yes.
Okay. What else do you want them to know about Bear Bear?
To brush her hair.
Okay. And you sleep with Bear Bear every night? Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Like this. I have to watch her.
Mm-hmm.
Never! Look at that girl in her hair. Turn here this way. Say hey YouTube. Hey YouTube.
We finally got your hair taken down, right? So what's next?
To spray it.
To spray it with this. You know what's in there?
Some water.
Yeah, some water. So we're gonna use that to spray your hair.
But it's all the way down.
Yeah,
and
but
it's no one don't have the upside.
Yeah, that's okay though. We're just gonna use that to detangle your hair, and then from there, what are you gonna do? Get in the
bathtub.
Yep. So I can do what to your hair?
Scrub it.
Scrub it?
Yeah.
So I can wash it, girl. I don't scrub your hair. You're not a floor. Okay, so
mustache.
Mustache?
Yes.
You're silly, Jade.
Like a mustache.
Okay, so we are going to turn around. We are going to detangle her hair, and then we're gonna head to the bathtub. to put the leave-in conditioner and detangler in Jade's hair. You can see my baby's curls are popping. Yeah, I'm going to be using the Cantu Kids leave-in conditioner. It provides amazing slip and the smell is second to none. I love the way it makes her hair smell. The shrinkage is definitely real, y'all. So let's go ahead and get into detangling.
Get up now. She's sweet, so sweet.
I have finished taking down, detangling, washing, conditioning, detangling again, and twisting Jade's hair. Turn your head this way, baby. So she is ready for bed now. She's all clean. Her hair is clean. Her hair smells amazing. And now we are going to go to bed and her hair is going to air dry. I don't put any heat on her hair, so it has to air dry. So when she wakes up in the morning, it will be dry and the conditioner will penetrate and her hair will be super soft and super manageable. Say don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Don't share, subscribe.
Say give this video a thumbs up.
Give thumbs up.